Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm about to show you how you can fix crashing and launching issues on Discord. So make sure you watch it till the very end and also subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it. So subscribe and like this video. Now let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do pretty much to fix Discord, to fix launching issues and crashing in Discord is head over on Discord, click on the settings here and then just click on advanced. And then here in advanced, just disable hardcore acceleration, turn this off. And the next method is also press on your keyboard Windows logo plus R. And here you have to type this command. This one, percentage up app data percentage Discord. Okay. And click on OK. And here make sure you delete everything. Control A and then click on delete. All right, and then just restart your computer. Also make sure you have the latest updates, and if still have this problem after restart your computer, what you should do is to try to use Discord on your web, on your browser. If it's something that you don't like, you can also try to restart your computer. Restart your computer. Is try to re-download Discord. So try to reinstall Discord. So head over to this website and just click on download and re-download Discord. But first uninstall Discord. So head over to Control Panel and here uninstall a program and look for Discord. Discord here, uninstall, click on uninstall button, and then once you install Discord, you can also to completely uninstall Discord, which is very important, Windows logo plus R, and here type percentage app data percentage, and here locate Discord here and right click and delete as well. So we completely remove Discord, Windows logo plus R, and here you have to type local percentage local app data percentage, click on OK, and then here locate Discord, right click and click on delete, and now just restart your computer and then reinstall Discord and it should work just fine. I really hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day.